Jammers! Today we're going to show you a new promo code that can get you a penguin,
Arctic Den.
and you could also get a pet penguin.
It's really cute and small. So what you gotta do, I think we've done it on Animal Jam Play Wild, is you gotta type in PENGUINS.
So basically penguins.
And we have already done it on Play Wild, and if you do that, you'll get all those things, but your name will be Jolly Penguin. But we got this as a promo gift, and its name is Mr. Wonky Buddy, and we've seen another Mr. Wonky Buddy, so
We're thinking that all penguins should be named that, if you're wondering.
if it's on the computer version.
Yeah.
So,
Our
yeah.
pet penguin isn't here right now. Maybe we should show him that.
But I think that's only on
A mobile device.
yeah. Oh, and I think here is our penguin.
Yeah, okay, so pets. That's our little penguin.
This
Isn't
one's
he
so cute, Sunny Peach. So yeah, if you ever want to get one, just type in that code. She's sensible, she likes ice skates, and snow is her favorite food. So
I don't think that'd be fair.
So yeah, if you guys haven't already used this hack, definitely do that, and you'll be happy.
Ow!
Sorry about that, Jammers. We're just a little crazy right now. But yeah, do that and jam on!